Yagi and we are still playing Roblox.
The part 2.
The part 2. This is Easy Logo Quiz. Easy Logo Quiz. Ang tagal mo dyan!
Great. Add us if you need help. Yeah, true. Grapes.
If you want to pro on MM2, just
add this guy. This a guy tuloy. Girl.
grapes.
I'm a grapes. Shut up.
I'm a pro on MM2. Medyo naglalag na 10% na lang nga ako.
That's true. Avocado.
Lisa mo.
Avocado. Win.
Is dark.
Nandito na ako.
We have a light.
Ay, bahala ka dyan.
It looks like sun.
Drink tayo, drink.
Put your finger down.
Okay.
Tradition. Magpuput the finger down kami.
You want to put the finger down? If you hear the questions, join us, okay? 7 up. 7 up.
Okay ako. Lalakasan ko. Para marinig din nila.
Diyan. Gusto mo sumali?
Hey, monsters! Put a finger down.
Dito. Ay, hindi. May Shopee pa ako.
Crush edition. Let's get started. Put a finger down if your crush is a brunette.
Wait lang.
Put a finger down.
Mabilis eh. Doon na lang.
Hey there, Quizmates Explorers. It's time to get a bit personal today as we're playing Put a Finger Down Crush Edition. Let's dive in. Put a finger down if you've ever had a
Anong
crush.
drink to? Yan naman kaya, diba? Roblox. Ano?
Put a finger down if you've ever tried
Red
to
Bull.
impress your crush.
Red Bull.
Put a finger down if you've ever written your crush's name on a piece of paper.
Many times. Uy!
Put a finger down if you've
Sir
ever tried to
Jan!
your crush.
Ha? Red Bull.
Put a finger down if you've ever texted your crush first.
Magpuput akong dalawa na lang.
Put a finger down if
Mountain
you've ever
Dew.
Googled your crush.
Mountain Dew.
Put a finger down if you've ever stalked your crush on social media.
Ito, oh.
I'm a
Put a finger
stalker.
down if you've ever
Goodbye.
gotten nervous talking to your crush.
Bye. Dr.
Put a finger down if you've
Dr.
ever had a
Pepper.
crush on
Dr.
celebrity.
Pepper. No?
Put a finger down if you've ever been jealous because of your crush.
Ayan, no.
Put a finger
Dr.
down if
Pepper.
you've ever taken a different route just to see your crush. Put a finger down if you've ever made a playlist thinking about your crush.
Dr. Pepper.
Put a finger down if you've ever daydreamed about your crush during class or a meeting.
Look.
Put a finger down if you've ever lied to make yourself look better in front of your crush.
Ano
Put a
to,
finger down
may...
if you've ever blushed when your crush talked to you.
Yung may
Put a finger
kidlat.
down if you've ever made a wish about your crush on a shooting star or when blowing out birthday candles.
Ano
Put a
kaya?
finger down if you've ever taken a quiz to see if your crush likes you.
Sprite!
Put a
Gatorade.
finger down if you've ever tried to find out your crush's
Gatorade!
likes and dislikes.
Ay.
Put a finger down if you've ever saved a picture of your crush.
Ayaw nito sagutin.
Gatorade.
Put a
Gatorade.
finger down if you've ever practiced confessing your feelings to your crush in front of a mirror. Put a finger down if you've ever been too shy to talk to your crush. Put a finger down if you've ever become friends with your crush's friends. Put a finger down if you've ever made up a scenario in your head about your crush. Put a finger down if you've ever changed your appearance or style to impress your crush. Put a finger down if you've ever stayed up late talking to your crush. Put a finger down if you've ever looked at old messages between you and your crush. Put a finger down if you've ever gotten butterflies in your stomach when you saw your crush. Put a finger down down if you've ever tried to make your crush jealous. Put a finger down if you've ever defended your crush when someone said something bad about
Yeah.
them. Put a finger down if you've ever kept a
Ulit
gift
Dan.
or memento.
Ulit.
Hey everyone,
Nag-iba ako.
Dito natin ilagay. Ay,
this
hindi.
is Put a Finger Down, Crush
Dito.
Edition. If you put 30
Dito.
fingers down, you're obsessed with your
Dahil
crush.
dito,
Before we
Di ako
start,
makita.
make sure to
Makikita, oh.
subscribe and don't
Makikita
forget
na
to
sa
comment
Hindi ko
below.
makita yung
At
sarili
tignan
ko.
natin yung ano. Sige, tignan na.
So, are you ready?
Hindi higa mo.
Let's begin. Put a finger down if you've ever had a crush.
Oo.
Ano daw? Put your finger down if you have a crush. Meron ka daw crush.
Put a finger down if you've ever tried to impress your crush.
Nope. I'm just joking.
Nung grade 2 katabi ko yun.
Put a finger down if you think about them all the time.
Ano? Sometimes.
Kung naiisip mo daw siya.
Put a finger down if you've ever stalked your crush on social media.
Tignan mo daw.
ako eh. Stalker ako.
Same. Stalker ako.
Ako hindi ko alam kung paano mag-stalk. Titignan mo lang yung Facebook.
Put a finger down if you have a crush on a celebrity.
Dati si
Shop na sa Lazada. Mas sulit tipid araw-araw.
Order food you love with
Oy,
Food Panda.
subscribe mo.
Download the app and order now.
Saan ka pupunta?
Wait lang.
Put a finger down if you have more than one crush at the same time. Put a finger down if your crush is in one of your classes.
Siyempre, paano ko siya naging crush?
Put a finger down if your crush is the most attractive person you've ever seen.
Mamaya doon tayo sa bahay namin.
Put a finger down if your crush shares your birthday month.
I saw your finger.
Just kidding. Joke lang.
Put a finger down if your crush is taller than you.
She's short. She's so short. Sorry. Put your finger down.
Put a finger down if your crush is the same age as you.
Yeah, true.
4. Same age as you.
4 years old ka pa lang.
Put a finger down if your crush's name has 6 letters.
Yes.
L John. 8 yun eh.
Put a finger down if you have seen your crush today.
Ha? Kung nakita mo daw siya today. Alam mo. Kita ko siya ngayon.
Social media.
Put a finger down if you've ever made up a scenario in your head about your crush.
Yeah, true.
Ito pa lang na pagkatapos ko.
Put a finger down if you pretend that you are not looking at them in public.
Ay. Sige. 1.
Put a finger down if you have ever talked to your crush.
Naman. Naharangan mo na ako, no?
Put a finger.
Nang ina. Kumatawag si mama. Wait lang.
Lani! What?
Kailangan na sa baka.
Halika, punta na tayo. Ayan. Bahay ng... Bahay ng... Ang best friend ko na baba. Bakit? 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 Yung tanong? Bakit daw? Kailan yung ano yung pinag-sasakitin mo mami sa school bag exam mo? Bilisan mo na! Dito tayo. Okay guys.
Today, kaming dalawa na lang. Wala na yung si Myra.
Yes, that's my water. What is that? What is that?
Dogog. What if kaya isara ko na tong video?
Hoy!
Ayun lang ang ganap sa aming magkakalaro. Or magkakaibigan.
Yung nagsisimulang mag-aaway ay si Lyra at ito. Itong bakla to. Yung wala si Janjan's house. It's here.
Hoy,
Wag ako.
joke lang.
Bakit? Ito lang.
Oh, ganun.
Whatever. And our
House nila. Ayan o, ang laki. Kaso nga lang hindi makita-kita. Kasi multo yung bahay nila. This is mine. This is mine tindahan. So, close ko na. Bye!
Bye! Subscribe!
Bye!